Sendinblue for Beginners, How to Create Effective Email Campaigns 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Sendinblue. Okay, now let me give you a disclaimer. Sendinblue used to be Sendinblue, now it's called Brevo. Okay, so that's one thing to know. But I mean, it's still Sendinblue. It has the same features, the same pricings, everything's the same. They just changed the name from Sendinblue to Brevo. So that's the only thing that's changed. Don't worry, everything's still the same. So now that we've understood what we're going up against, I'm going to be teaching you, the proper email marketing and, automations and how you can create effective email campaigns using Brevo or Sendinblue. Now, basically, to start ourselves off, we're going to first of all go ahead to pricing and, discuss the main pricings that Brevo or Sendinblue gives us. Now, here we are. Now, for the monthly plans, basically you get 4 different, plans for your marketing platform. Okay. So in marketing platform, you can get 4 different plans: free, starter, business, and Brevo Plus. Okay. Now, obviously the free plan is $0. That's, goes without saying. And obviously it gives you all these features like 300 emails per day, customizable email templates, drag and drop editors, transactional emails, SMS and WhatsApp campaigns. Then you have starter, which is ideal for growing your business. It's $25 per month. And everything, in free is included, plus from 20,000 emails per month, no daily sending limit, no Brevo logo, basic reporting and analytics, email support, and much, much more. Then you have everything in Starter Plus in the business plan, which is for $65, including, marketing automation, A/B testing, advanced statistics, multi-user access, send time optimization, phone support. Then obviously comes Brevo Plus, where you can, have custom prices for yourselves. So yeah, now once we've, discussed that, let's go ahead and join this. Okay, we're going to go and click on join for free. And once you click on join for free, you're going to head over here. So first of all, we're going to keep an email for ourselves. Okay, now I'm going to be using a temp mail in this scenario. Now, why I'm using a temp mail is because I know that I'm going to dispose this account after this video. That's why I'm using a temp mail, but you don't necessarily have to follow this step. You can use your Gmail. Okay. Now, once I've added that, I'm going to go ahead and add a password for myself as so. And once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and click on create an account. And once I've done that, obviously it's going to say that we've sent, a verification. So please check your email for any verification that you've gotten. So obviously you're going to make sure to refresh your email inbox page to check if you've actually gotten any verification. Now, a verification from Brevo or Sendinblue always usually takes a second or two, so we're just going to wait for it to do that for us. Okay, and once a verification is properly sent, from there on out, what you can do is you can head straight into the main Brevo dashboard. Okay, so let me show you what the main Brevo dashboard actually looks like. Okay, now I already have an account, so I'm gonna go ahead and get in with my Google account. Here we have it. So I'm gonna go ahead, log in with my Google account, and the login process is pretty simple. It doesn't ask you for your password or anything. Just go ahead, put in your email, and once you do that, it's gonna take you straight into your account. So here you are, as you can see. Now, obviously, to do all the email marketing and stuff, it's pretty simple and straightforward, to be honest. Like, everything is right in front of you, everything that you want to use or you plan on using. Okay, so first of all, you have these things over here. So you have contacts, campaigns, automations, transactional, conversations, inbox, sales, and meetings. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and discuss contacts. This is where you're going to basically create yourself a contact, or you're going to import yourself a contact. Okay, so if we go and import contacts and discuss that, go over here. Now, you can import contacts in many ways. Okay, there's many ways. You can upload a file, which could be a CSV, XLSX, or a TXT file, or you can copy paste it from your XLS content. That could be from, your Excel file or something like that. Now, I'm going to go and upload a file, and let me show you by, uploading an example file, basically. I'm going to go on download an example CSV file. I'm going to click on it, and let me show you how it's going to look. So that's how it's going to look. And as you can see, that's a proper CSV outlook of a file. Now, let me show you how it's going to implement it. So I'm going to take this file and I'm going to paste it here. And once it's pasted, look at that. So it takes all the records and, stuff from your CSV file, and it's going to be, pasted over here. So from there on out, you're just going to click on confirm your file. And as you can see, first of all, you have the email and you have the data over here. So these are your file headers, these are your data, and these are your contact attributes. So obviously, accordingly, put in the necessary data in the necessary fields. And once you're done with that, just go ahead, click on confirm mapping. And once you didn't confirm mapping, as you can see, the file that you just uploaded has been properly mapped, and all the data, all the necessary data that needs to be added has been added. Now, once all of this is done, you can just confirm your list. Okay, choose the list of subscribers you want to add it to. If you don't have a list of subscribers, just go ahead and create a list of subscribers. It's pretty easy to do that. And once that is done, as you can see, all your content has been added accordingly. Pretty easy stuff, isn't it? Now, obviously, you can check your lists and segments out over here. You can add new lists if you want to, all that stuff, pretty simple stuff. Then you're going to head over to campaigns. This is the main crux, okay? This is where we're going to create campaigns. So if you want to create campaigns, just click on create a campaign. Choose which campaign you want to go with. It could be an email, SMS, but obviously the most famous one is an email campaign. So you're going to click on email campaign. And once you click on that, as you can see, you can get these stuff over here. So create an email campaign, keep subscribers engaged by sharing your latest news, promoting your best-selling products, or announcing an upcoming event. So I'm going to, give it a random campaign name. And once you do that, obviously, as you can see over here, it loads you in. So to create a campaign, first of all, you're going to add it from. You're going to choose who it's from. So let's say it's from us to who can it be to. Again, select any user from your list. So it could be to, this person. Choose a subject, just add a subject line, anything random. To be honest, I'm just going to add a proper subject line. Click save. Okay. Then comes the design aspect. You can, design it using a proper drag and drop editor, or you can just use one of their templates. And it's pretty simple to do that, okay? And if you want me to, discuss this aspect in detail, do let me know in the description below and I'll do it for you. But yeah, you get the point. Then you have the advanced settings where you can edit this stuff. And once you've done that, just click on schedule. And once you click on schedule, obviously schedule the campaign accordingly, like what time you want to schedule it to, who do you want to schedule it to, all that stuff. And you're going to be good to go with campaigns. Then lastly, you have automations, okay? And automations are pretty simple as well. So automations, as we all know, are basically, you could say, an extra worker, but it's not like a live person. It's a bot, you could say. It's an AI that basically automates emails to people. So automations are basically a trigger that triggers an action. So let's say if I were, on a Nike store and I buy something, okay, I have bought it. I have ordered it already. And what's going to happen is my buying a product is going to be a trigger. And the action that I'm going to trigger is the email that Nike's going to send me that, hey, you bought our product. It's going to reach you in these days. So that's automation. Now, there wasn't an employee sitting behind the computer just waiting for me to, buy something. It was, an automated bot that was automated that way that if a user buys something from our store, send them an email. So that's what it is, and you can just create an automation pretty easily. Tons and tons of automations. It could be product purchase, the one that I was just telling you about, the Nike example. There's the abandoned cart, which basically sends a message after a contact abandons their cart. Then obviously you have welcome message, marketing activity, and all that stuff, and it's pretty easy to get your head around. So yeah, that's basically about it when it comes to discuss Sendinblue or Brevo. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.